What if you could spend 5 years in Thailand learning to cook Thai food for real? Not from YouTube, not from a recipe book, from the people who invented it. Hi, I'm None from Thai Crew. Let me show you how this is possible legally on one visa. It's called the DTV Visa 5 years multiple entries. Every time you enter Thailand, you get 180 days. That's 6 months per trip. And one of the official ways to qualify, enrolling in Thai cooking school. Your enrollment letter is your visa application. That's it. Okay, let me tell you what 1 year actually look like. You join a 12-month cooking program in Bangkok, 16 classes spread across the year, one class every 3 weeks. For example, first month you might learn pad thai and tom yum. Month third maybe green curry or som tam. Month 6 you are making curry paste from scratch. Month 12 you can cook a full Thai meal properly. This is for example like for all 16 classes, 1 year real skill. And this is not a tourist experience, it's a real education. You have 5 years, so this is the best part. Bangkok year 1. Schools like Arun Thai Cooking start every class with a tuk-tuk to a real local market. You pick your ingredients, you go back, you cook, maximum 12 people per class. Personal hands-on and real. Chiang Mai year 2, this is my favorite place. Northern Thailand is very different. Less coconut, more earth, more earthy. You should know this, khao soy. Khao soy is the rich curly noodle soup. You learn it here where it belongs. Love Chiang Mai Cooking School. 56 dishes, 98 hours, DTV approved. Phuket year 3. Southern food, more coconut, more seafood, more spice. Masaman curry, yellow curry. It's just most tourists never even try. Let's see how to apply. You need 500,000 baht in your bank. That's around $14,000. Hold for 3 months. Official stamp statement. Enrollment letter from your cooking school. And their business registration document. You need your passport. Well, at least 6 months. And you apply from outside Thailand, not from inside. Most tourists do one cooking class, one afternoon, one photo. That's testing, not learning. With the DTV, you have 5 years. Contact us at thaicrew.com and we will help you to apply or follow for more Thailand visa tips. Thank you and see you next video.